Hey, it's afternoon time, and Madam, she bring this one because his friend now is coming. He brings him show you. You can visit in this what's the name of that one? Shipak, what's Shipak, I don't know in the inside this. Ayan, ayan. It's good for with chai or dinner na. Bringing new kaak, but I have a kaak pa also for dinner. Oh, ayan. Oh, you see? Oh, wow. You can come. What's this one? This one is my favorite. Ako sana. I don't eat all because I can't eat. Ginawa. It's funny. Sometimes kasi what's that? It's make me eat. Not all. Just this one's way. Basta like this one, it's my favorite talaga. This one, the more I like this one talaga, cheese inside. And there is some vegetable also inside. No green leaf, I think, and they mix some cheese. So I eat also, but not only laham, not so much laham. Slight, like that one. Slight only. But it's not mean that I'm eating talaga. But except of with cheese inside talaga na ko, I eat and this one naman inside. Sana ito natin kaya nito. Ayan. We eat too much this one. Me only and soon. Last time that Madam she bring from her sis and from the house of her aunt. Yes, okay. So ayan na. Thank you very much. And my Arabic. This one is my Lebanese. I call this one is Lebanese. So I'm very happy. Yeah. White pita bread pala. So white pita bread. So it's white pita bread pala talaga ang name yan. Because I call this one Lebanese bread. That is white pita bread pala yan. Sa English, okay? Okay, so thank you again. Thank you. Mag-selfie din. And now I want to eat my lunch na because Madam she ate already sandwich. Diet sandwich. And she said he ate in the office also. Now I eat now. It's right time to eat. And she's not hungry daw. Because she ate too much and she ate biscuits. And she ate all the lunch box that I bring in there. What's that? Okay. Just a minute. Okay. That one it's pulled down. Okay, just a minute only. Just a minute. Baka ma-pull down also. Okay. Yeah. I feel that it's mine, all is mine, no. The friend of Madam is always come here. Not always, not every day. What I mean, they just come here always. Not every day, huh? Okay. Shh. You can observe or you can order if you want for chai, for the whole family, friends, or whatever, diba? Thank you again for watching, to all of us, nationwide and worldwide. Thank you for all subscribers of mine. Thank you for watching, to all viewers, to all supporters. Thank you to all people in this world. Thank you in the different, what's that, time and different earth, belong in different earth. And doon sa hometown ko, and Surigao City, Surigao del Norte, Siargao, and all Dinagat Island. It's my time, it's my home place in the Philippines. Once again, thank you very much to all vlogger that is still supporting.